Welcome to the Primula Cafe. Introducing the new Coffee Brew Buddy, the ultimate convenient brewing device for an effortless and great tasting cup of coffee. Anytime, any place. Just pour, brew, and drink. The Coffee Brew Buddy fits on most cups or mugs and makes a single cup of coffee at any strength. This innovative concept is not only the easiest way to brew a great cup of coffee, its slimline design allows it to slip into a purse or case, making the Coffee Brew Buddy the perfect brewing device, whether you're at home, the office, or traveling. All you need is coffee, a cup, and some hot water, and a great tasting cup of coffee, anytime, any place. The Coffee Brew Buddy does not require cartridges, pods, paper filters, or carafes. Its unique mesh filter has been engineered to create a large and deep surface area inside the cup for increased turbulence. Turbulence is water tumbling through the coffee grounds that creates that rich coffee flavor that brewers with the coffee above the cup cannot ever match. Using the Coffee Brew Buddy couldn't be simpler. Place the Coffee Brew Buddy on the rim of a cup or mug, add your favorite ground coffee and hot water, and then allow to brew until your desired strength is achieved. Making a great tasting cup of coffee is so easy and only takes a minute. And cleanup is a breeze too. Remove the Coffee Brew Buddy from your cup or mug. Discard the used ground and either rinse off or place inside the dishwasher. It's dishwasher safe and reusable, so it's economical and eco-friendly. Primula and the Coffee Brew Buddy, promoting a more eco-friendly lifestyle through innovation. Primula, something extraordinary is brewing.